What's going on YouTube? Tech Nemesis here, coming at you live from Dallas, Texas on a lovely Thursday night. Got a little bit of an opening here for you. Got two Shadow Specters, two Breakers of Shadows, one Battle Pack 2 War of the Giants, and one Battle Pack 3 Monster League. Also got a Secrets of Eternity here. And unfortunately, off camera, I ended up doing some opening of Breaker Shadows. So I actually got Derma Eye Magician, Buster Blader the Destruction Swordsman. There we go. And two Twin Twisters, which is a great card also. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys those. Get those off camera here. And I actually did one booster pack opening of the Wing Raiders, actually. And I actually got Icarus Attack for that one. So pretty badass looking card, you know. Can't complain. Tribute one Wing Beast type monster, then target two cards on the field, destroy them. So it's kind of like Twin Twisters, except for you have to sacrifice a monster. Anyways, alright, so Harpist also. And yeah. We'll be opening some more of those though, because I picked up quite a few. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. Let me grab my black sleeves here real quick. Alright, hopefully we can get more than 4 ultra rares or super rares in here, but we'll see. Alright, so we got the black Ultra Pro sleeves. And let's go ahead and go with this Battle Pack Monster 3. So let's get these other ones out the way here. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's go. So we got Fighting Spirit, Cestus of Dagla. Alright, Royal Firestorm Guards, Psy Curse, and Exploder Dragon. Alright, well, I don't even know if the God cards, oh, this Cestus is Shatterfoil. But anyways, I don't know if the God cards were in that actual pack, in these packs, actually. I really hope so. I didn't do too much research, I just saw the cheap price and kind of bought them, you know. But I wouldn't see why they aren't, because they're on the front, you know, unless it's just a design, but we will see. So Kunai with Chain, kicking it off old school. Photon Sanctuary, that one's kind of a Kaiba Corp holograph. Draco Titano. Come on. There we go. Alright. Mythical Beast Cerberus. Metal Reflex Slime. Alright, cool. So that Dragon Jurak Titano was the rare. Alright. Sorry guys, I cannot speak today. Just exhausted from work. But let's go to Shadow Specters here. Mecha Phantom Beast Saberhawk. Yep, looks correct. Not the best reader here. Sacred Serpent's Wake. Got a Bowling Boxer Rib Gardna. Risebell the Stars Psyker. That's pretty sick artwork here. There we go. And number 65 Jin Buster. No Ultra. Alright, actually my time is about to run out on my camera, so I'm gonna pick this up on a part 2. Alright.